Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Taco Bell Baja Sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. I appreciate you being here. Like I said, we're going to be making Taco Bell Baja Sauce. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We have got 1 tablespoon of diced pimentos, 2 jalapeños, 1/4 of a yellow onion, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of white sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard powder, juice of 1 lime, 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic, and 1/2 teaspoon of some ground cumin. Let's start mixing this up. Alright, I'm going to put the sour cream in, our mayo, our jalapeno, our onion, squirt of lime, cumin and garlic, sugar and salt, whoops, got our mustard powder, our vinegar, and our jalapenos. And we're just gonna blend it all up. See what it looks like. Oh yeah, that smells really good. There it is. I got some chips. Let's try this out. Alright. Shots. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. It smells good. Look at that. That makes a good sauce or a dip. Clings to the chip pretty well. It's a little thin for my taste, but that can be changed in the recipe, which is in the description box below. Don't forget to look for that recipe down there. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is good. Good stuff. Taste those jalapenos. Creaminess. Sour cream in the mayonnaise. Cumin and garlic. And for a little bit of that lime that I put in there, you can really, it really accentuates the flavor. It really is. This is really good. I'm surprised that it would be this good. So anyway, I'm going to keep eating this. You guys have a good day. Thanks a lot for joining. Don't forget that the recipe is down below in the description box or the first pinned comment. Love ya. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Yeah.